Be careful, son. But we were flames and fell in love. We burnt the cities down, down. Before you learned your lesson, you won't be lonely if you fall in love. Over and over again and again. My mama told me when I was young, we still inspire, sorry son. You won't be lonely if you fall in love. Over and over again and again. I'm living my life according to the law of attraction. It's like camera action. I never wanna die. I'm living that life with no direction. I thought you learned your lesson.
Alright guys, so got the GR86 all put back together. I'm going for a first test drive. So heard this is a driver's car. Let's see what this thing can do. Alright. So off the bat, this thing's a lot faster than the older generation. It's a lot smoother. And yeah, it's a lot more fun and nice. So let's do some flybys.
You know I said yes. Just
Alright guys, we got the GR86 back from paint. Check it out. Paint came out just amazing. There's a blend on the door. Front bumper hood got painted. And a blend on this door. Man, this color is pretty cool. I don't like silver too much, but came out really clean. No dust, no runs, nothing like that. The hood as well. No orange peel. It just came out a perfect paint job. Got it all assembled. Lower grills are in. Got a brand new badge. And everything came out just amazing. Got active aero right there. Thought it was fake at first, but also right here. Check it out. See the tire. But yeah, and then also we got the interior assembled. All the, oh my bad, it's locked. All the airbags came in. and got everything assembled. Steering wheel, dashboard is all complete, and yeah, knee airbags in. No lights on the dash. I don't know if the key's in here. No key detected. But yeah. Come on. Hey guys, this is Upstate Garage, and in today's video, Adelphia sent us out 2 free headlamps to try out, so let's do a quick unboxing and see what they got us. Okay, so it comes with your head strap, and it comes with a USB charger, charging ports right here on the back, and let's put this thing to the test. What I like about this lamp is actually it's the 230 degrees, so you can see everything you're doing, and it's not no goofy like ball weird thing you got with these weird style lamps. This one's a flat LED, and you can actually see what I'm about to do is, yeah, so it makes it really easy. I can see everything really far in front of me, behind me, just everywhere you look, you're good to go. Alright, so this lamp does have 5 different modes on there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 off. And it's rechargeable. Work time for the lamp is like 2.5 to 8 hours depending on what mode you use it. There's the brightest setting where it's all crazy at night. It blinds the camera, it's so bright. And then there's these regular modes. Click the link down below this video, you can get 10% off, or use the code right here, Garage10, to get 10% off your first purchase.